Okay, this is a 1927 Ford Model T, 27, I'm sorry, Model T, 350 Chevy, small block, pretty stock, runs and starts very nice. The body is very good on this car. The frame is excellent. It's really nothing to do. Hop in it, drive it, enjoy it. He owned a machine shop, a production thing, and so he did a lot of stuff. You got your disc brakes up front, you got drums in the back, Ford 10 inches in there, all brand new interior. He spent $5,000 on that. Gauges work, tilt steering wheel, your small block Chevy with headers in it, and dual exhaust, so sounds pretty good. Just an all-around real complete car. He's driven this, all over the place. Car shows an hour away, and it just doesn't give you any quirks or anything like that. Super reliable, nice, driving car. If you're looking for one of these, this is not an easy one to find at touring, and just a nice all-around good running car. Let me go from that side because that sun's shining a little here. Let's see what we got. So, nice complete car. Start it, get in it, and enjoy it.